Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about doc typing. Here is my class called car. It has a function called start, and this function is going to print car starts with a key. Then we are having a class called bike, and it has also a function called start, and it prints bike starts with a button. Then we are defining a polymorphic function that works with any object having a start method. Okay? Because inside this function, the argument is an object, and basically using that object, we are calling the start functions. Okay? In different classes. Now we would like to create an object. In order to create an object, we can do it like this. So this way, we are directly calling the start vehicle function with an object of the car class. And this way, we are calling the start vehicle function with an object of bike class. Basically, this part, car with empty parentheses, this creates an object of the car class. It's the same as this one. Okay, it's the same as this one. Car underscore object equals car. So we use to create an object like this, but using it here, it's exactly as the same as this one. So we are creating an object of the car class, and then we pass that as argument for the function start vehicle. So the start vehicle function is called with that object as argument. We are going to use that object to call the start function. So because the first argument is from the car class, this start is going to be called car starts with a key. So this message is shown in the output. Then we are creating an object of the bike class for the argument, and we call the start vehicle function. And in this function, again, we are going to use that object of the bike class to call the start function, which will be this start function this time because we're using an object of this class. And it shows this message: bike starts with a button. So this message is printed in the output. This is how we can actually change the way that we are creating an instance or an object from a class, and this is how a polymorphic function work with any object that have a function called start inside that class. Thank you for watching.